All right, we are live. We are live. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the show. Today, I'm going to talk about two products, later of which just being announced today. So let me grab the first product, or rather the packaging of the first product. Bear with me 1 second. I'm back. This is Accsoon M1. The first thing I want to talk about, because I'm using it right now, so I can't really grab the product to show you guys. So basically what this device does is to provide an HDMI signal to a UVC, which is a USB standard video protocol, to either your phone or a computer. I'm using it with a laptop. I'll mention the reason later on. So basically the device got an integrated phone holder, clip your phone in, plug in the USB-C cable to USB-C. Then the HDMI takes any HDMI source, mainly your camera, and then it turns your camera signal to the phone. And with the app called Accsoon C, you can then view your video source. So your phone screen turns into a 5 whatever inch monitor. So you can have all sorts of external monitors function like zebra, force color, waveform, and then you can check the focus, check the exposure, check your composition, and also, the Accsoon M1 support a recording function. So basically, your phone becomes a field recorder. It records the HDMI signal a bit at a lower resolution. So the maximum resolution it supports is 1080p 60p, where my RP, when I export 1080p, it's anyway kept at 60p anyway. So it's 1080p 60p, and it uses your phone's integrated memory to record. So this device can be powered by your phone if your phone has a USB-C PD protocol, which all Samsung's latest phones or last 3 years phones support that. But if you are a Xiaomi or Huawei, I'm not so sure. However, it obviously drains a lot of battery from your phone, so it also can be powered by a Sony NP-F battery, and then the battery can even reverse charging your phone. I bet from the online report it says it's not very stable, and some phones can cause the phone to sort of stuck, and some can cause the phone to crash entirely. The Android system, you have to reboot, or it's very sensitive to the cable. So one touch to the cable, it will drop out. That's why I'm not using that. I tried that in 2-3 occasions. I'm not very happy with it. There are two reasons. One, it's lack of functionality. So basically, it's recording, it's viewing, but when it's come to recording, there's no resolution or bitrate support. It's only got a live streaming function, which is even more basic. It only has 2 blank you can fill up, which is RTMP address and your streaming key. That's it. No other parameter settings, nothing at all. And then you set the CBR to 2 megabits per second to 20 megabits per second. I tried 20, I tried 16, I tried 12. Not a great deal of success, to be honest. That's why today I am live streaming using my laptop. What I did was still camera use a dummy battery powered through the NP-F battery. On the Accsoon M1, it's got a DC output, so it powered the RP no problem, and then the NP-F battery powered the Accsoon M1, and the Accsoon M1 USB-C cable, instead of that short cable comes with, I've used a longer 1 meter cable straight to my computer, and my computer I use OBS. And the benefit of that is not only I can put overlay, which I didn't do, I just quickly do a test today, but I did a audio chain. So the audio you're hearing is from the HDMI of the RP, but audio chained as a VST host cable, which is like your DAW virtual output into OBS. So it's a processed audio. Do you guys can hear any difference? Is there any difference noticeable? Please leave a comment below. Thank you very much. And then the second product, which I think surpass this, head and shoulder above this, folds go beyond what the Accsoon M1 does, is the new product Atomos announced today called Zato Connect, which similarly is a small compact device, but with the Ninja 5 form factor. So it's got a 5-inch high resolution, high brightness display. So you got a monitor, you got a record to an SD card. I bet it's lacking the Ninja 5's SSD output, but it's a lower price device. I'll mention the price a bit later on. And then you got a live streaming capability. It supports Wi-Fi. It supports a USB-C to gigabit Ethernet dongle, so you can use a wired connection to live stream. And it's got much better customization options. So it supports the Atomos Connect software and the whole ecosystem. So you can add overlay. You can do your audio mixing. You can, live switching and directing your show from a combination of USB-C input. So you can get a webcam input, you can get an Accsoon M1 to output to that thing, but it's obviously, why would you do that? But you can. And then you can get an HDMI. So basically, if you got like an RP and then you got a 4K 30p camera, and you can use that camera as a main camera to HDMI the Zato Connect, and then this RP, because it's 1080p, 60p, so you can use Accsoon M1 and USB-C to that device. And then you got 2 camera, 2 angle, plus you can do another 3.5mm audio jack. So you don't necessarily need to do audio through, HDMI, audio 3.5mm into RP, HDMI out, and then do all the routing. So you can do, all sorts of things. It's a more professional product. Plus, if you're talking about robustness, compatibility, reliability, I think Atomos is the industrial standards. It's the landmark because it's a Ninja 5 series. It's basically the only player on the market. It dominated the market for the last 3-4 years. Every new manufacturer, every new camera, they announce firmware update to support Ninja 5, right? So it's, the best. There's no other 5-inch recorder even come close. So I think based on the success of Ninja 5, Atomos did the side move. It's a little brother. It's $399. So it's actually cheaper than Ninja 5, but it won't support all these high bitrate raw recording, all those 4K, 60K, 6K, 5.4K, whatever. So it kept at 1080p, 60p. However, it's got a live streaming capability. It's compatible with the Atomos ecosystem. I'm so excited. I might consider sell this Accsoon M1, but it's only $100. I paid 149 Australian dollars. But compared to the new one, this is very basic. Plus, if you pre-order it, you will get the NDI HX license free of charge. So basically, you got another $99 free of charge, ready to go. Imagine just buy an NDI HDMI converter cost you $400, just a converter. So HDMI in, NDI out as Ethernet port or Wi-Fi out. It's already $400. There's no cheap one. I've already searched that. I wanted to buy one for a long time, but I couldn't find an encoder cheaper than $400. And I don't think a simple encoder should be that much. But from Bird Dog, from PTZ Optics, or you name it, New Tech, you name it, there's no cheap one. There are a couple of Chinese ones. One of them from my hometown, actually. It's called View, I can't remember the name, but anyway, Yeah, just an NDI HX converter from HDMI source to encode to NDI costs you about the same, and plus you get a high brightness, 1000 nits live monitor, and you got all this switching and live directing capability, overlay, audio mixer, live streaming, everything all together on the one device, powered by NPF battery as well, and can be mounted on camera, on your cage, or I hope it compatible with Ninja 5 cage Atomos sell on their website. But either way, that's just fantastic value, right? You think about Elgato, what Elgato capture card can do. It kept at 1080p 6p and sells for $100, right? A high brightness monitor costs $200. A live stream encoder costs $300. NDI costs $400, and all together, this Zato Connect is $400. And with that one device, you literally got one HDMI plus another UVC input, and then another audio input, and plus you can pre-record. Imagine I took the camera out, shoot some clips, and put in the SD card, insert into the Zato, then I can play back and talk to you guys and play some videos on the SD card. That's a fantastic capability. You don't need a computer, you don't need OBS anymore. Yeah, that's how excited I am. So look forward to that. I'll definitely pre-order that. Let me know what you guys think. Bye for today, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye for now.